Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the You've Got Happy Mail Lollipop Box Club kit. It looks like this. And I just thought, because I've had quite a few new subscribers recently, thank you so much if you are new. Thank you so much for joining us here. I just thought I would actually give you a little bit more of a talk when I do the unboxing this month and just tell you a little bit more about what Lollipop Box Club is. I started up this business, it will be 4 years ago in May. It's just gone by so fast. And the idea being that each month you get some happy mail through your door, and I will show you exactly what's in the kit in just a moment. But I just wanted to talk to you, say hello, and in case you're wondering what Lollipop Box Club actually is, I just think it's just about making life a little bit sweeter, something coming through your door each month rather than just boring old bills. It's something fun and something to look forward to. So I'm now going to show you exactly what's inside this month's kit. So when your box comes, this is what it looks like. Like I said, each month there is a new theme. I am going to contradict myself slightly actually. I just told you I would show you exactly what's in this kit. That's something I never ever do. When I do an unboxing, it's a few days before the kits get sent, and I'm not going to show you exactly what's inside. I've removed some items, and I also won't be opening the packages, as I want you to also have an element of surprise. So bear that in mind when you're looking at the kit. This isn't everything that you will receive. You will receive surprises. Now, something else about the kit that's really important to me, I try and buy from as many women like myself, working mums that have their own businesses. I try and support as many as possible. I just think it's a really nice thing to do, and I know that I appreciate it myself when people place orders with me, and I want to be able to return that and help out as many people as I can. So this is what the kit looks like when you open it. We've got a postcard in the front. I do have a mum that creates all my artwork for me. She's absolutely amazing. So all the artwork that you see is created by Martha. And we open up the kit. A new addition last month, we actually have started having a creative zine. It's like a little mini magazine that comes in your kit. It's double-sided, and you've got DIY projects, you've got a sneak peek from next month, you've got bits that you can cut out, use in your journaling, scrapbooking, all that type of thing. You've got crafty tips, and you've got a recipe this month as well. So that's in the front of the kit. You've got confetti in there. Another thing as well, I try and include as many items as possible that you can reuse. So for example, the confetti, the tissue paper, you've got this cute little planner clip, but you can reuse the tag. You can even take off the washi and reuse that. And things like when there are plastic packaging, like for the stamps, I'll show you in a moment actually, I include other ways to use those. So let's get back to the planner clip. This is made, all my little felties and fabric bits and pieces are made by Andy from Andy's Accessories. I then turn them into bits and pieces for the kit. So I've turned this then into this adorable planner clip. I do actually also sell add-ons. So for example, you can purchase a planner clip on its own if you want an additional one, if you want to send it to a friend, but also if you just want to buy a few bits and pieces, you don't want the whole kit, or you buy the planner insert set, which I will also show you in a moment, you can buy extra pieces like this. I will link everything up below. You've got an exclusive little notepad. You can write cute little notes on these, leave them around the house for your family, or I just love having a notepad in the front of my planner just to scribble notes down. They're really, really handy. All the designs here are completely exclusive. This is the treat bag. There's always a treat bag in the kit, and this month you've got to-do lists in there. Whoops, you've got to-do lists, you've got an embellishment postcard that you can cut up, and there's lots and lots of other creative bits and pieces that you can use on your scrapbook pages, in your planners, on your journals, all that kind of thing. Now the stamp here, this comes from Skull and Crossbuns. Emily makes our stamps every month, and this is this month's. So again, another mum. And I've been recently using up my own artwork on the back, so you can actually use the packaging. That's what I was going to say before. So rather than bin the cardboard in the back, you can actually use that on your projects as well. And even the plastic packaging, you won't find too much plastic packaging in my kits, but I always offer projects on how to use them. Shaker cards, we use the packaging from the die cuts last month in a shaker dashboard. So there's always ideas on how to use these. These are the die cuts. I'll open them up for you to have a look. Jennifer designs these die cuts for us each month, as well as some other stickers. Sometimes she makes us stencils as well. Another working mum from home. We've got bows, we've got Send It. I have actually been using these on a project already in my traveler's notebook. I will link up that project below and you can see how I used these. They're just so cute. I really love them. I like the big words. You've got arrows, you've got journal boxes. There's loads and loads in here and they're really lovely quality as well. This month, something new in the kit. We've actually got alphabet stickers. We do have a Lollipop chat group and I'll link up that below for you as well. It's a really good way for me to communicate with all my customers, and many of which have become friends now, and I'm always asking for if there's anything you want removing from the kits, anything you'd like adding to the kits. Alphabet stickers was a really popular one. Lots of people wanted them in the kits, so this is the first month that we are including them. Again, from Jennifer from Happy Scatter, and they are really, really cute. Tash from Blossom Nose Co. makes our other stickers in the kit each month. She creates beautiful designs, and these are the stickers from this month. Obviously, you have to have a lollipop in your Lollipop Box Club kit. We've also got a pen this month. It's a black ink pen. Smile. You've got Happy Mail. And then we've got the kit papers in the bottom here. I'll just give you a quick look. You have a calendar ready to get you ready for March. You've got some weekly planner sheets. These are all A5 size. And then you've also got planner, you've got your patterned papers. You've got 2 of each design. You've got one with little mini envelopes. A little bit of a vintage theme this month. You've got hearts, and then you've got the stripes as well. Really lovely quality and brilliant to use on your projects. That's this month's kit. Like I said, I haven't shared everything. There's lots of bits and pieces that you haven't seen because I want them to stay a surprise, but I hope you like what you have seen. If you have any questions, please do ask me. I'm also going to show you now what comes in the planner kit. So these are the A5 planner insert sets that come to you like this. They come packaged, and you've got a sheet of stickers as well. These are the ones for March. I will link these up below. I think now though I've only got about 5 sets left. You get a solid dashboard, really sturdy dashboard with a yearly planner on the other side, and then the pages here are really, really sturdy. I'm really happy with these. They're a lovely quality. You've got a March calendar, you've got a March page for important dates, monthly goals, and mustn't forgets. Always very important at the start of your monthly planner. We've then got this week's plans. I use mine for my meal planning and cleaning scheduling, but obviously you can use them for fitness planning, budget planning. You can use them for homework, anything like that. They're just really good for a quick schedule. And then for the more in detail weekly planning, you've got your Monday through to the weekend. Separate the weekend wherever you want. The column is longer than the rest of the week. And then you've got your AMs and PMs. You've also got like a tick off list at the bottom of each one. I like to have appointments, times and bits and pieces like that. And then I use mine for block for block planning and mark off. I'll show you actually a previous month so you can see. There you can see, and then I can mark down and plan in blocks. I find that works really, really well for me. So you have one of those for each week of the month, and on the reverse you've also got notes as well which is also really handy. So that is the planner insert pack, and with that, like I said, you get a sheet of planner stickers. Again, these are sold separately if you just want the stickers. It fully coordinates with the kit this month, so if you buy both, you've then got all the accessories to go with the kit. And these are only £7.95 a month if you subscribe, and the main kits start at £16 and it's free delivery within the UK. I am doing an offer this week. I'm just starting it today as it's Valentine's this week. If you would like £5 off to try this kit, if you subscribe, you'll get £5 off. The kits start at £16, so that's a really good offer. And like I said, it's free delivery within the UK, £5.50 anywhere else in the world. You just need the code LOVE19 and that will give you £5 off. You're not tied in. Even if you subscribe, you can cancel at any time. And then each month I offer add-ons. I've mentioned the add-ons briefly before. If you would like to buy extra stickers, if you'd like an extra treat bag, a lot of my customers do actually share their kits with their children, grandchildren, that kind of thing. So they buy a few extra bits and pieces. You can purchase an extra notepad, extra pen, anything like that. But then I also like to offer a few other bits and pieces that coordinate. This month we have got travelers notebooks. These I get asked all the time. I use Simple Stories travelers notebooks. I love the size. They are that bit bigger than most other notebooks, but they still fit in the standard travelers notebook cover. And the colours really match well this month. So you've got 2 notebooks in here, and they are from the Beautiful collection. We've also got a large arrow stencil. I love this one. I used this one the other day in that same video I was talking about. And you've got the negative on the back, so you have in effect got 2 stencils. We've also got some sticky notes. There you go for your planners. Really cute little sticky notes. 112 pieces. And we've also got some Simple Stories, some Carpe Diem sticky notes as well. I will link everything up below so you can take a look. If you are a subscriber of the kit, you do actually get a download code and you can download all the printables for free. So the calendar, the weekly planning sheets, you get the embellishment postcard, and you've also got to-do lists, so you can use the code, go onto the website and download everything for free. I think I've pretty much covered everything now, so that's what the kit is all about. The other thing that was really important to me when I started up the business was the community side of it as well. I didn't want people to just receive a box. I wanted them to have full support with the box, giving them loads and loads of ideas and inspiration all month long, which is where the tagline, making life a little sweeter, comes from. It's just about making things a bit more fun. We all have cleaning schedules, we all have to-do lists. If you can have something really pretty, it just makes it so much nicer. My scrapbooking and memory keeping has been really important to me now for about 15 years, so that's also something I like to share, and it's something that I really enjoy. And it's not just about preserving the memories, it's the whole process, having that me time, having that downtime, escape time, away from everything whilst you're creating. It just feels really good. And then I try and help with schedules and decluttering, all those types of things. I love creating those kind of videos, and I love trying to help people because I know for myself, just feeling on top of things, what a difference it makes to my life as well. I really hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing today. I'm sorry if it's a little bit different to what it usually is. I just thought I would give a little bit more of a talk about the kits and hopefully help you understand a little bit more what Lollipop Box Club is about. So let me know, what is your favourite thing about my channel? Thank you again, like I said before, if you are new, and let me know what has brought you here, as I would love to know. And let me know what videos you're liking right now, what you'd like to see more of, all that kind of thing. Thank you so much for watching today. Remember the code LOVE19 and that will give you £5 off this kit. Kits are being packed this week and they are due to be sent on the 18th. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye.